Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making Malaysia's famous Roti Jala or net pancakes. Let's get to the recipe. To watch this recipe in Tamil, click here. For this recipe, you need 250 grams of flour. Today, I have used whole wheat flour. You can use all-purpose flour too. Next, we need 300 ml of thin coconut milk. For that, I have used 20 grams of coconut milk powder with 300 ml of water. In a blender, add the coconut milk along with 1 cup of plain water, 1 teaspoon salt, a pinch of sugar and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next add 2 eggs along with the flour. Now close the blender and blend it until everything is combined well. Strain this mixture to remove any lumps. For this recipe, today I have used an old plastic juice bottle. Remove the cap. Using a sharp knife or nail or a screw, make 3 to 4 holes on the cap. Using a funnel, transfer the batter to the bottle. Heat a non-stick pan and smear some ghee or coconut oil. Start pouring the batter in a circular motion so that a net kind of pancake is formed. Let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes on a high heat. Once it is cooked, start folding both the sides of the pancake like I have done. Start rolling the pancakes with the help of a spoon and a fork. That's it. Your Roti Jala is ready to be served. Serve it with any spicy curry and enjoy.